Here is a PTO-Drive Liberty spreader. Some service points to check every day. Check your PTO shafts. Make sure everything is good with the crosses inside your PTO shaft. You have belts and pulleys here. Check tension on your belts. Make sure they're good and tight. Grease your bearings here at the front. Here on the grease fitting right here. You have more bearings and grease fittings here. Check your lug nuts daily. Make sure your lug nuts stay tight. Another bearing. Another bearing. More bearings here with grease fittings on it. Check your dope level in your gearbox. More belts and pulleys underneath your guard here. Make sure they're good and tight. Got bearings here, here, underneath your spinners. Check your bed chain. Make sure everything's good and tight on your chain. No wear on the pins where the pin heads are sticking out. Another bearing here to grease here. Check your chain, idler sprockets for your ground drive chains. Another bearing here, bearing here, bearing here. Bearings on your ground wheel frame up the front. Also, check this chain for your tension. 2 more idler sprockets there. Check your bolt nuts on your ground wheel frame. Check your spring tension here. Make sure your spring is still attached good. Check your hydraulic cylinder. Make sure no leaks on your cylinder hoses here. Here's your adjustment rods for your bed chain. Another bearing on the front. And there's your tension on your bed chain. Make sure on that front cross member right there you have about that much clearance on your bed chain. Then check your hydraulic plugs for your cylinder. And that's really about it on this machine here. Thanks.